Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through connecting the Salesforce Authenticator app to secure your user profile. Start by accessing the Salesforce login page on your computer web browser. Type in your official system username and password and click Login. The interface will automatically trigger a multi-factor authentication registration screen demanding a secure connection. Grab your mobile smartphone device, open up the official iOS App Store or Android Google Play Store and download the official Salesforce Authenticator application. Once installed, launch the mobile app and tap the Add Account option, which will instantly generate a unique two-word phrase directly on your phone screen. Type this exact two-word phrase into the matching connection text box field on your desktop computer browser window and hit Connect. Finally, look back down at your mobile smartphone device screen and tap the secondary confirmation button to finalize the account linkage. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.